Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a storybook on Canva, step by step. Whether you're looking to create a captivating children's story or design a beautiful photo book, Canva offers an incredibly user-friendly platform to bring your creative vision to life. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process. First things first, open up Canva in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, go to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, type Storybook. This search will show you a variety of templates that Canva offers, specifically designed for storybooks. Take a moment to browse through the templates that pop up. You'll find a diverse range of designs, from whimsical and colorful templates to more minimalist and sleek options. As you explore, think about the tone and theme of your storybook and look for templates that resonate with that vision. One handy tip: hover your mouse over each option. This will give you a quick preview of how many pages are included in each template. After deciding on a template that catches your eye, the next step is to customize it to truly make it your own. Click on Customize this template to open up the Canva editor. In the editor, you can personalize every element according to your story or design idea. Each template is fully customizable. You can change the images to ones that better fit your story or even upload your own illustrations. To do this, just click on the image and you'll see the option to replace it. Don't forget, Canva also has a rich library of images and graphics you can use if you're in need of new visuals. The final touch is editing the text. This is where your storytelling skills come into play. Simply click on the text boxes and input your own engaging narrative. Adjust the font size and color to match the mood of your book. Remember, this is your story, so let your creativity shine through. And there you have it. With a few simple steps, you've created your own beautiful storybook on Canva. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can download it as a PDF or share it directly digitally. Happy storytelling, and I hope your creativity sparks endless imaginative journeys.